everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making, I guess it's a request of sorts, because Phoenix jumped into my Discord box and was like, hey, look at this cool recipe for Grape Crush cupcakes. And I was both intrigued, and they looked delicious, so we're going to be making those today. For that, I'm going to need a cup of Grape Crush soda, or grape soda in general, another additional 1/4 cup of the soda, a stick of room temperature butter, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 4 cups of powdered sugar, a jar of grape jelly, and a box mix of either yellow or white cake. Now, food coloring and grape flavoring, and of course sprinkles are all optional, but I'm going to vote to use them today. So, you know the drill. Let's go. To start off, we're going to take the whites of 3 eggs. Now, a little bit of yolk did get in there, but I don't think it's going to be a deal breaker. A 1/3 cup of oil. And that 1 cup of grape soda. And I'm going to be mixing that together thoroughly. And when I'm done mixing it, it'll look like this. Now, the recipe said that if I wanted a little more grape flavor, I could eyeball about a teaspoon of drink flavor. And for that lovely purple color, instead of what I have right now, I can put a couple drops of purple food coloring. This should be interesting. And when you're done, you should get a way more purple color to your batter, like so. Of course, when we're done with that, the rest should be pretty explanatory. I'm going to get about a 1/4 cup measuring spoon and put about a 1/4 into each cupcake. Of course, I've put a nice purple cupcake paper into each opening. You're going to continue to fill these up until all of them are full. And these cupcakes will be going into an oven that was preheated to 350 for the next 15 to 18 minutes when I'm done filling them. Well, our cookies are baking, and while I'm doing that, I'll be making the frosting, which needs a stick of room temperature butter. That last 1/4 of our soda. And in about 1 cup intervals, we'll be adding in powdered sugar. I'm taking my mixer and whipping that up for us. And right near the end of whipping up the frosting, we're going to add a couple drops of our purple food coloring and another teaspoon or so of the flavoring. And with the frosting done, I'm going to be putting this into the refrigerator until our cupcakes are done baking and cooled off. And when they come out of the oven, they'll look a lot like this. And we need to let those reach room temperature. Okay, the cupcakes are ready to fill with our grape jelly that we have put in a little piping bag. So, middle, put some of it in. I personally always advise putting a filling in cupcakes from the top, because then usually you will frosting cover it and nobody will know that they ever had a hole in it. I'm probably going to leave a couple without it though. And all you're doing is putting the little plastic tip in and letting the jam come out as you pull up again. Okay, it's time to frost them. We put that purple buttercream we made earlier into a piping bag. Got the thing open. Now all that's left to do is take it out on top. I kind of wish I had one of those star tips to it, because then I can make it really fancy. But I don't, so. Okay, our cupcakes are all decorated. Got some sprinkles up there. Got the frosting on. I have called my cupcake officiant to help me taste them. So we've already got one over here that we've cut in half. Ooh, look at the filling. It looks really good inside, even cut open. Here. No, bring it back. I definitely have grape flavor in them. I'd have to say they taste like the soda because the soda tastes super grape too. So I think they're awesome. Is there anything you don't like about them? Okay. I think after a while, this flavor can get really overwhelming, so I don't suggest eating 6 of them or anything. Okay, never mind. Lyrical could probably eat 6 of them. I mean, that's a... She's weird. No. Anyway. Well, I'd make these again. Maybe even try different quote-unquote soda flavors. There's different ways to make it and everything. But until then, tell me what you like about my video. Tell me what you didn't like. Any thoughts, anything I could have done different. Leave me a like. Leave me a comment about it. And we will see you in our next video. Also, thank you, Phoenix, once again for this really awesome recipe that turned out great.